Do you have 150,000 naira and you're looking for businesses you can start with that amount in Nigeria? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Betty. In today's video, I'll be showing you 5 profitable business ideas that you can start with 150,000 naira. These business ideas ranges from physical businesses to online businesses to even service-based businesses. Let me show you 5 proven ways you can turn that your 150k into successful business endeavors. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the businesses I have on my list. First on my list here is candle making business. This business is actually highly profitable but very affordable. You can start it on a low budget, but you can still make a lot of money out of it. Because of how people are now taking a huge interest in home decoration, wellness, and all of that, it is raising the interest in scented candle business. If you go on TikTok, for example, or on YouTube, or on Instagram, you will see that the number of aesthetic video content creators in Nigeria are increasing by the day. Lots of people are creating aesthetic content, taking their time to decorate their homes to their liking. A lot of people are now taking interest in wanting their home to look beautiful, and because of that, they are all diverting their attention into scented candles. So if you decide to go into scented candle making business in Nigeria today, you're going to make a substantial amount of money. Just go online first. If you've not thought about it, go on TikTok and go on Instagram and type scented candle business in Nigeria. You will see a lot of young people making substantial amount of money from being candle making CEOs and candle making bosses. Okay, scented candles actually has health benefits. For example, lavender scent is known to calm your nerves, calm your stress, and all of that. People use scented candles to beautify their home and also to improve the fragrance in their homes. It's a business that you can start from home. Now, what does it actually entail? Don't worry, I'm going to give you a breakdown of how much you would actually need to buy the things you would need. So let's talk about the raw materials first for the scented candle. The first thing when it comes to raw material is what kind of wax do you want to use for your scented candle. So for wax, from research, there is the soy wax, there's the paraffin wax, and then there is the beeswax. I think all of them has different prices. It depends on the quality of the candle you want to produce. The minimum amount you would need to buy these waxes are like 25,000 naira or less, depend on the quantity. But like I will always say, if you're starting a business and you have small money, then start small. Another thing you have to consider is the fragrance oil, and you just need a minimum of 5 to 10,000 naira or less. If you're starting small, you don't need to buy a whole wide range of fragrances. You can just buy few fragrances that you love and then start with those fragrances to make your scented candles. You can spend like 5,000 naira for dyes. Those candles that you see have different colors, pink, purple. And for the wicks, the rope that is you use in burning the candle, 5,000 naira or less as well. Don't worry, I'm going to total it for you so you see. For the candle molds too, you need like 10,000 naira to buy molds. There are different molds for candles, and then there are also containers. So if you're using containers as well, you need like 20 to 25,000 naira to buy containers, either the glass jars or the aluminium jars. For raw material, if you total all of these things I've mentioned now, you're counting to like 60,000 naira or less. Then you have tools and equipment. When we talk about tools, we're talking about things like melting pots, double boiler pots. That's the container you use to put the wax and to melt it. So those containers, you can get it for like 10 to 15,000 naira or less. Then you have thermometer. Then you need to think about stirring rods, 2,000 naira, 1k or less. For equipment and tools, you're spending about 20,000 naira. Now we have packaging, the boxes you use to send the candles, the tags, the labels, all of those things are packaging. So that's like, let's say everything concerning packaging, 25,000 naira. Another thing you need to set out money for when it comes to candle making business is adverts. Run sponsored ads, especially if you're just starting out. First of all, you need to open a social media account. You can open an Instagram account for the business, or you can open a Facebook and TikTok account for the business. Okay, all of those are free. But then now you need to have cash that you would use to run sponsored ads on any of the platform. So pick one of the platform, use it, and then start running sponsored ads. Take note that you can also post your business on WhatsApp too. So use 20 to 30,000 naira to run sponsored ads. Not all at once, but like at intervals, just to put your business out there to new people. If you say, I don't know how to make scented candles, there are lots of tutorial videos on YouTube on how to make scented candles. Just have data for you to be able to go online. In fact, I believe if you're watching this video right now, you're watching it from YouTube, so you already have data. Just go online and search how to start up a scented candle business from home, and you would see a lot of tips on how to go about it. You can actually use 150,000 naira or less to start up a profitable scented candle business, and you will watch yourself see your investments grow right in front of you. Would you like to start this particular business? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so the next business we'll be talking about here today is the lip gloss business. With the rise of self-care trends all over TikTok and Instagram, the lip gloss business now has a wide appeal to a wide range of audience. Like, it is not only women who use lip gloss at this point, even guys use lip gloss. Okay, it is healthy for the lips as it is, so it is no longer a gender specific item. It's something that both male and female look out to buy, so it appeals to a huge market. And that is why if you go into this line of business, you're definitely going to make something out of yourself. And I'm really recommending this for students. Okay, so if you're a student and you're thinking about a business that you like to invest in on the side, I would recommend that you go with this lip gloss business. So how much do you need when it comes to like breakdown of what you need to start this lip gloss business? You would need to buy the raw material. Raw materials includes the lip gloss base, essential oils, flavored oils, pigments, color, shimmer, glitter, coconut oil, beeswax, and containers, okay, or tubes to put in the lip gloss. You need about 50,000 naira to buy all of these things I mentioned now. Second set of items you would need are tools and equipment you would need to produce these items: measuring cups, scales, etc. So all of these equipment that you would need, it will cost you like 20,000 naira or less to buy them. Okay, so initial 50,000 naira for the raw materials, 20,000 naira for equipment. Also, you need to talk about packaging. So you need about 15,000 naira for packaging. That packaging includes your labeling, the packaging you put this container, this lip gloss, this thing inside. The amount your packaging will cost depend on the clientele that you are looking at. If you want high end, maybe you want your clients to feel luxurious, you have to spend a bit more money in the packaging. If you just want to sell it to like let's say your students in your campus are your target audience, then you can spend a little less money on packaging. So packaging could cost you like 15,000 naira or more if you want luxurious feel. You also need to spend money on advertising. For each of these business ideas I'll be suggesting to you, I would always recommend that you spend money on advertising. That's to give you an edge once you start this business. Okay, so for advertising, I would recommend you spend 20,000 naira or less. This is to run sponsored ad online, or to pay people who you know are into one form of business or the other and who have gathered some kind of clientele for themselves. You pay them to help shout your business out so that sales will start coming. And if you don't know how to do lip gloss business, go to YouTube. Come to this YouTube. You're already inside the house. Search for starting a lip gloss business from the comfort of your home. You will see a lot of tutorials that will show you how to go about this business, right? So total amount of money that you would end up spending if you're starting a lip gloss business is about 110,000 naira or less. If you want it to have a luxurious feel, then you can increase it to like 120 to 130,000 naira. The beauty industry keeps growing every day. It is not about to die or crash anytime soon. So why not leverage on this growth and start up your lip gloss business? If you've gotten benefits from this video, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification too, so that whenever I upload videos like this on my channel, you'll be the first to know. Please give this video a huge thumbs up. Will you like to try the lip gloss business? Leave it down in the comment section. Do you think the lip gloss business is a profitable business idea, or I'm just being delusional? Leave it down in the comment section. So the next business on my list is shoe making business. Okay, I'm not talking about buying shoes from maybe China or anything like that. You can do that. That's a business, a whole business, different business on its own. I'm talking about making custom made unique shoes. Shoes are something that everybody needs, and because you wear it all the time, it gets worn out and people will still want to buy new ones. So are you seeing where I'm coming from? It is a business idea that does not go out of style. Okay, you just choose which level of shoes you want to be make. Do you want to make luxury shoes, or do you want to make affordable shoes? If you're not starting with a very high budget, because shoe business is one business that can be capital intensive but can also be affordable. Okay, you can start with few pairs of shoes, market these few pairs of shoes, and when it sells, you can now make more and keep marketing. What will you need to start up this shoe business? You need leather, the soles of the shoe. You need to decide to buy rubber soles or leather soles. You will be spending like 60,000 naira or less to buy these materials. Now, the second thing you need will be the tools and the equipment that you would use in making these shoes, and that includes shoe molds. You would need cutting tools, you would need stitching tools, punchers, and a few other smaller tools that I've mentioned here. There are manual ones and then there are premium ones. To start with the normal manual ones, you will spend like 80,000 naira or less to be able to buy these equipment, okay, that you use in starting up this business. You also need to think about packaging and marketing, packaging bags that you would need to send out your products, and then the money you would use to run adverts. All of this could cost you like 30,000 naira or more, okay, depending on the quantity and the quality that you are going for. That will be like 170,000 naira. So this one is a little above our budget here, but it's actually profitable and you can cut it down. You can cut it down depending on your target audience and the market that you're aiming at. You can watch free videos on YouTube to learn the basics of shoemaking, and you can also go and pay somebody a little more amount of money to teach you how to make shoes. But like I said, most of the skills people start practicing today, they learn for free online. Just have data. I'm sure because you're watching this video, you must have data. Even if the data might not be plenty, but you can have data for research, at least for research purpose, and then you can start up this profitable business. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you've not done so already. Okay, give this video a huge thumbs up. I know you're enjoying it. Please give it a huge thumbs up. Okay, thank you very much for thumbsing up the video. So the next business idea, the number 4th business idea I have here on my list, is fixing of eyelash extension. There is an increasing number of people who are investing in their looks, in beauty treatment. Women and even men these days are opting for fuller eyelash looks, and most of them want to use these eyelashes to attend different occasions like weddings, etc. In fact, the eyelash extension is no longer a trend. It is now a beauty essential. Like most people, by the time they think about hair, think about makeup, the next thing they're thinking about is their lashes and their nails and all of that. So the beauty industry as a whole is booming. Any business you think about going into in the beauty industry, rest assured that you are going to make money out of it. No jokes, okay? Now, this is why it is a great business opportunity in Nigeria, because one, it has low startup capital. It has a potential of being a high capital business, but you can also, just like the shoe business I mentioned earlier, you can also start small and then grow. Once you have trained, because yes, you actually need to train. This particular business, you need to train, and I'm not even going to advocate that you should go and learn on YouTube alone. Because why? You're dealing with the eyes, a very delicate area. If anything happen to person eye when you go do your eyelashes, it's going to be problem. So I would advise anybody who wants to go into eyelash extension business to actually go and train physically, so that you don't go and carry super glue and close somebody's eyes hair. So once you have trained, you can now start charging, okay, people to make their eyelashes, and you can charge from as low as 5,000 naira to 15,000 naira or even more, depending on the clientele that you are looking at. Okay, so it is very good to have this business. Has very huge potential. It has a very huge potential of turning into a full-blown beauty business. Like, you might start without having a shop. You might start by just delivering home service to people. Like anybody who wants to make eyelashes, since you don't have a shop, you might start by going to their homes to make them the eyelash. Or if you learn from somebody, you might have a friend who has the business already, and then you direct these people to come to that place so that you will do their own eyelashes there. But it has a potential of you renting a shop and opening a full-blown beauty business, which will not only cater to eyelashes but every other beauty business as well. So here is the cost breakdown that you would need if you want to go into the the eyelash extension business. Let's talk about the initial setup, the equipment that you would use. So for initial setup, you need to buy eyelashes, and these eyelashes comes in different sizes, in different quality. Then you need to buy lash glue, tweezers, eye pads, cleaner like lash and face cleaning products, lash primer and lash face cleaning products, okay, that you use to prime the face before you actually start fixing these eyelashes. So for all of these things, you will be spending like 60,000 naira or less, or even more, depending on if you're going for luxurious eyelashes. The second set of things you might need is equipment and tools. Let's talk about basic equipment. Where the mirror, lash chair or lash bed, mirror, storage organization for where you store all your tools and all of that. These things will cost, let's say, 50,000 naira or less. Then you also have training. For you to reduce the amount of money you will spend for training, I would recommend that you look out for brands that are offering promo. Okay, from time to time, some of these people that are into the eyelash business, they offer promo to teach people. So you will see them offering promo for 30,000, 20,000, 50,000, depending on the quality of the brand you're going for. So take advantage of promos, sales, and all of that to register for training. After the training will cost you about 30,000 naira or so. You need to think about branding, packaging, and advertising. Okay, advertising especially, and then your packaging. Take note that if you spend more money for advertising and for branding, you would make more money as an eyelash technician. So for this particular business, it will cost you about 180,000 to learn and to start up this business. So the last and the final business idea I'll be talking about here is to become a content creator. See, for every business idea I put out here, I will always preach the content creation niche, the content creation space, because it is one business. This particular one, you don't need 150,000 naira. Because if you're watching me, I'm sure you're watching me from a mobile device. So that means you have a mobile phone. Except if your mobile phone cannot take videos, then I'll say, okay, use that 150,000 naira and think of buying a phone. Being a content creator is another lucrative business that you can start without much capital. Okay, you don't need up to that 150,000 naira as a starter up to start content creation. And content creation involves creating content on one or different platforms. So content creation involves creating video content or on one social media platform or across different social media platforms, from TikTok to Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, or even blogging. Being a content creator offers you limitless earning potentials. You can become an influencer on Instagram or on TikTok, or even here on YouTube. The money you get from brand deals on influencing alone is a lot, before you now talk about monetizing on the platform. Because yes, you can monetize on the platform either through membership, through ad revenues, or through likes and super thanks and all of that. There are various ways to monetize on different social media platforms. As a content creator, the more your influence grow, the more earning potentials you have. Content creation is also so flexible that you can stay at the comfort of your home to earn whatever money that you're earning while you take care of your children. So let's say for me, I'm a mom and I'm also a content creator. The work is flexible. I can work from anywhere I find myself. All you need is a good smartphone, a light source, and your creativity, and boom, you're good to go. So think about becoming a content creator. These business ideas I've mentioned here, they are lucrative, they are profitable, they are affordable. Like, you can start with low capital and you will still make substantial amounts from it. Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Betty. You're welcome to Chandre's Corner. In this channel, I talk about content creation, growth tips, entrepreneurship and business ideas, and various ways to make money on the online space. I'm sure you got value from the video you just watched. If you did, please click on the subscribe button to join the family. Turn on your post notification button too, so that whenever I upload videos like this on my channel, you'll be the first to know. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I will see you guys in my next one.